Thanks again for tuning into yet another video. We are installing the chin spoiler for the Roadster right here. You know, I like the way it looks. I had this on my 05. I had this on my 05 Sportster, and I really like the way it looked. This is for, I believe, 2010 and up. There's two versions of the chin spoiler, so make sure you get the right one for your year, a proper one. I, of course, just attempted to install a crash bar on this bike, and it just doesn't fit. You have the thicker forks on the Roadster. These are a bit thicker. They're about 55 millimeters, and the regular Sportster, I believe it's about 30 something, somewhere around those numbers. So big difference. So now I have to remove the crash guard and install the chin spoiler, but no worries. I am already expecting another crash bar, and hopefully this other crash bar will work with this bike. Let's see, there's something going on here. It should be a super easy install, but here, hold on, let me see if I can get this to take. You always want to finger screw these in, that way you don't cross thread anything. And man, it's not going in. Let's see, are these the right size? Ah, wow, these don't feel like they're the right size for this. Let's see, that doesn't feel like that's the right size. I think these are the wrong bolts. I don't think these are the proper ones. I guess that's the end of the installation. These do fit. This is the one from the crash guard. These fit, but these don't seem to be the right bolts for this. See, that's how it's supposed to go in there, and yeah, that's not going in. So there's no point of forcing this in there. You're gonna end up cross-threading something. So I guess that's the end of that install. That's not gonna work. I could use these for the meanwhile. Here, let me try to see if I can find something else. Alright, took a quick trip to Home Depot. I picked these up. These are the ones you're looking for. AJE 3/8. Let's see if I can get it. So AJE, and it's a 3/8 bolt. I was only able to find 1 inch. The actual bolt itself is about it's about maybe 3/4. Oh, it's almost there. It's almost the same. But this will fit, as you can see. Easy. That's what you want. So it should be fine. It doesn't look like it's hitting anything on the inside. Yeesh, that's close. But once I get the crash bar in, everything should work out fine. So let's go ahead and finish this install. Quick install. We already installed the little back piece on the back. As you can see, that goes lined up on top, and that's the most difficult from what I remember installing it the first time around. You have to use this little hole down here to aim and look through to be able to get that to catch in there. That's one of the toughest parts of installing this chin spoiler. But as you can see, man, she looks great. I like the way it looks. Like I said, I had this on the 05. Same install and everything. So let's go ahead and get these bolts underneath. And it's these two. These are supplied with the actual spoiler, chin spoiler. So like I said, yeah, that's the wrong part. I know I ordered the right one. I know for sure. I know for a fact this is supposedly, they claimed this would fit the newer model Sportsters. Wow, surprisingly, you guys won't believe this, but I got this on the second try. Wow, that is just pure luck. Just from this whole ordeal, yeah, this is what I ended up using right here. This was a lot easier. I used a ratchet the first time around. This is a lot easier to just kind of do this. And man, yeah, so these things, they don't fit. I think we have to find a bolt kit and try different sizes. They just don't thread in. They don't. But you know what? That single one right there is gonna hold up until I get the new crash guard. Unfortunately, if you guys are wondering what I got, it's gonna be the same style as my Mustache. I really wanted to change it up. I wanted to make that Cobra one work. I was thinking about it. Hey, maybe I can probably, you know, leave it on there, and sure, I lose about 1/4 inch of turning, but you know, it's only it's only like moving at low speeds, because technically you won't be turning the wheel like that. But you know, every time I park the bike, I'm gonna be beating up on my forks, and I just didn't want to do that. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna get this settled. I really want a crash guard on this bike, and as you guys can see, man, she looks good. You know, I still have a mess. I'm still wiring stuff up. This project, you know, it's been a little bit of a hassle. As you can see, some parts don't fit, some stuff doesn't fit on the bike. These Roadsters are, you know, they're a different breed from the other Sportster. So thanks again. That's a quick install on the chin spoiler. Looks pretty good. You know, I still have some other parts. You know, eBay, they haven't been like reliable. I got a rear fender and it's missing parts. Man, it's just, you know, it's just stuff that you have to deal with dishonest people. So you guys just stay out there, stay safe, don't believe everything you read, stay positive, life's a risk, get out there and ride. Later.